Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to another live forecast. Okay, let's start from the economic calendar first. On the Monday, we have the Chinese yen PMI come reported, and Tuesday we have this uh, Mr. Powell speaking and PMI, and also the jobs opening, and also we have the NFE. It's not the NFP. Okay, so regarding this, right? It could be a little factor that have to take in due to the Friday is due to the Friday is a bank holiday, the 4th of July. Okay, so we have a bunch of um, new heavy news cluttered on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, so let's dive into the technical analysis. Okay, regarding this, from the previous week, right, we have this analysis going on the forecast. We have this POI level, these two at this range. The reason being is the price, where the price just pump and tap us and sweep the equal high and then continue lower. I believe I believe the price could continue lower somewhere around here. Okay, so let me remove all of this, then we will do a reanalysis for everything. Okay, so it's going to be the end of the tomorrow will be the end of the month, and we'll be starting moving towards into the July. Okay, on the monthly we did not hit any POI level. We hit this. Okay, drawn liquidity, a monthly low. After that, on the weekly time frame, the price did not reject off here. So I assume that the price could just continue open high low close for the rest of the next week. Okay, we have this a fake pump, tap into this high, as a sweep, and then it it does show us a gap from here. Okay, sweep the high, yes. Will the price come back towards this range or this range? I would say but I believe so. This will be making much more sense. Yes, around this OB level, tap into it, continue lower. Hit one, could reverse somewhere around here, continue lower. Okay. My buy is going to be neutral. Okay, in summary, on the dollar index, right, my bias is neutral. Um, the reason being is um, tomorrow will be the last day of the month of June, and the higher time frame is definitely bearish, no doubt. So, referring to the nearest price action, right, we have this monthly drawn liquidity which is tapped, coming back into the sweeping the higher time, the equal high right here, and then make the huge dump, even though it leaves with the gaps as well. So and for the rest of the week, the the rest of the previous week, right, it has been bearish. So it could lead some um, bullish price action for retracement after hitting these two daily and monthly drawn liquidity. Okay, so we'll be looking forward, should be on Tuesday. Yeah, we do the reanalysis on Tuesday to see how whether price is going towards the direction or not. If we if the price is continue going up, I could catch some retracement trades, and then the moment the price fail to hold the low itself, break the low, have some sign of market structure shift, then it could just continue going lower and lower, potentially another target right here. Okay, so let's see how the price show us for on next week. Okay, previous week I have I have mentioned, right, my bias is bullish, but on the halfway there is a ceasefire calling from the US. Okay, there is a very high chance that price could just sweep and continue pump. But remember what I said, the price did not break off this high, even not even the first draw on liquidity. The price just pump up with a huge gap, coming back down close bearish. So which means the bearish is taking over. So there, this is the point where we started to shift our bias, take a step back, then do the reanalysis. So you see, this is how the price react. Okay, the price did pump all the way up right here. It's about 259 pips. After the pump, the dump closed below for the first 4 hours. So you see how much liquidity that has been taken. So currently now we know either the price break off this high or break off this low to show the price, to show the true direction. So for the rest of the, I think it's Monday, yeah, for the rest of the Monday we did not do anything. Okay, and the Tuesday we have this break off, the confirmation break, and then the price just closed here. The price came back to retrace from this candle. Let's see at the lower time frame. Okay, the price did show us this, coming back down, close. Okay, sweep the high, break the low, confirmation, and then just continuing lower. And this protected low has became the draw liquidity. See how beautiful the price action is right here. After tapping it, the price started to reverse. We have an early sign of this break. Okay, then a continuation coming back down into this OB level, and then continue pumping higher up to this range, the CIST, then continue dumping lower. Okay, so let me do a reanalysis. This is the post review from the previous week price action. Let's start from a monthly because the monthly is closing as well. Okay, I believe it will be the start of on gold bearish is going to be the start. Okay, we have this previous monthly high. The next target will be this previous monthly low. Okay, after sweeping this previous monthly high, we are going to bearish. But how do we get where we are right now to here? Okay, from what I see, it could be another open high low close. For us, the reason being the daily time frame is also aligning towards the bearish. Okay, a sweep, a break, continuation. Okay, let me mark out all the drawn liquidity first. Let me do a quick summary on the euro and the pound. Both buyers definitely bullish due to the higher time frame show us. Okay, so there is a plenty of fair value gap remain unmitigated, and currently where the price at, right, the previous high was swept and the pound didn't, so which could lead a potential bearish. Either the price hold hold it until break off the high from the fair value gap. Otherwise, the fair value gap fail to hold, it could lead to retrace deeper fair value gap. Okay, this is my take for the euro and pound. Take this sweep and the New Zealand dollar in the range, it could just continuing higher. No, nothing yet, nothing yet. Okay, UCAT didn't hit yet. The ultimate low right here. This is still choppy price action from here. I think it is a very nasty one against the yen pairs. Potential next target will be here. The rest of it, nothing too much of interest. Okay, we have let's move on to crypto. Have a quick brief through. Okay, the price is actually aiming towards the all-time high, where the price tap into the weekly fair value gap, rejected, and then failed to tap the drawn liquidity, and then reverse, hit all the way down towards the protected low, and then started to show us the true direction, which is towards the all-time high again. Okay, but we are looking for some retracement right here, as this low show us the equal high itself. Okay, and this range could be a pretty nice range to continue expanding off. On Ethereum, huge range, waiting for a breakout. Ethereum, yeah, still the same, waiting this range to be tapped. Get involved. It could be a potential of this way. Okay, Solana did a very good one. Sweep off the previous monthly high and continue, have a good sign of pumping up. ADA nothing. AVAX nothing yet. Okay, Sui has the good sign of reversal right here, expanding off, waiting for another confirmation to break off this range. Okay, it could just continuing higher up towards the previous monthly high. If this range fail to continue breaking higher, it could just lead to a continuation of lower. price action. Okay, where the price right now, okay, a sweep made a huge dump, tap into a weekly fair value area, very beautiful, and then had the confirmation of the bullish. Okay, so that would be all for the night, and I hope everyone trades safe tomorrow onwards. It's going to be a very heavy news week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.